channel. In today's video, we're going to change the gas tank on my WR250R Yamaha La Bachatera. We're going to increase the capacity of the gas tank with a new IMS 3-gallon. Okay, here's the new gas tank that's going in now. Hopefully it's an easy installation. I'm going to share it with you guys and we could discuss it in the comments later. Here's included equipment. Alright, let's go. Thanks, Lego lid. Okay, here you can see how small the original gas tank is. Let's get some more range out of this WR250R. And I'm kind of sad to let you guys know that the Trans-America Trail, the Ouray, and the Moab trip for 2018, it's on standby right now. So let's cross our fingers on that. But we can still prepare the bike and get ready for it. It's definitely going to go to March Moto Madness and the Winter Rally. These two on the radiator side are a little bit difficult because of the radiator guard. Flatlands radiator guard, so just take your time and get the right angle. Be careful with these upper clips right here too. They slide like this. I guess I could have wasted all the gas before I did this job, but I didn't think about that. This plug here, you have to pull down the orange thing and then push in the light blue, the aqua color thing, and that'll release it from this lip. Okay, I believe we're going to reuse this part here and put it on the IMS tank now. Oh man, this thing is full. Look at that, it's full. Okay, we're going to take out some mounting points that I know we're going to need on the new tank. We're going to need this front part, this area here, and the back mounting. Here's what's included, hardware. Let's take this off. Put the supplied O-ring here. Okay, these weren't really too tight when I took them off the original tank, so just don't over tighten, I guess. Okay, fuel pump is in. Now let's put the brackets on. So try to remember how these were positioned on the original tank. I just had to double check and I put them on right so it looks a little confusing if you didn't pay attention. This seat bracket here we have to move over to the new 3-gallon tank. Okay, I think we can put the tank on now. Just attach the lines and the sensor here. Okay, fuel line is in. Now let's put this guy in here. Alright, putting him on is a lot easier than getting him off, guys. Beautiful. Piece of cake, guys. There it is. Let's bolt it back up. Next up, the side panels. Okay, we got to transfer over these mounts that are on the original tank. Totally forgot about those. That's what these little tabs are for here. We're not going to use the originals, we're going to use the ones that came with the kit. Now we can put this on. They go right up here. That one's there. That one down there. Very nice. I heard rumors that the plastics weren't going to go on too easy, but maybe it's a different tank. This IMS, everything lines up really good. This is a 2015 WR250R. Alright, let's do the other side. Everything's bolted up. Let's get the seat back on. Hopefully that fits on good. And then the install should be a total success. There we go. Caught on the front here, good. Alright, the gas cap that comes with the IMS tank has some good and bad things about it. The good is that you could easily just pour gas without using the key to unlock it. And I guess the bad part, somebody could steal your gas or maybe put garbage in there or something. I don't know who would do that, but I think it's pretty convenient. Nice tight fit. Now let's get the giant loop tank bag on. Perfect fit with the giant loop tank bag. All right, there it is, ready to go. Extra distance between fuel stops. And just to get gas, do this, open it up, bam. Very nice fit. The color is fine. Okay, it comes with this little vent tube here. Let's put that on. There you have it. Giant loop tank bag fits perfectly on the IMS 3.1 gallon gas tank. Now we got some extended range. If you need any giant loop gear, please shoot me an email. I'll put the email right here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, and until the next time, bye-bye. the moment of truth. Let's see. No leaks. Let's celebrate.